Hey everyone, I'm excited to take you behind the scenes today, right into the heart of California's grape farms. Let's talk about how U.S. farmers managed to harvest a staggering 5.9 million tons of grapes in just 1 year, and why California is the powerhouse behind almost every grape you see in the supermarket. So, picture this, most of California's vineyards are packed into the southern San Joaquin Valley. If you've never been, just imagine rolling green vines stretching for miles and miles under the California sun. Between January and February, the real magic begins, viticulture season. That's when the groundwork for a new grape farm is laid out. Step 1, workers drive sturdy stakes deep into the soil. These stakes are the backbone for an automatic watering system, but they're also a perch for young grape seedlings to start their journey. Once that system is set, time to dig holes for planting. And get this, for every acre, about 900 grapevines are planted, with each plant sitting about 7 feet apart. In 2021, California's total vineyard area hit 918,000 acres. That's 95% of the entire country's grape-growing territory. After planting, the vines are trained along the stakes, climbing up so they can soak up all that sun. Most grape varieties take at least 3 years before they're ready for their first big harvest, so patience is key. Now let me walk you through the pruning process. Come winter, 5-year-old grapevines get trimmed way back. Almost all their branches are cut, so that in spring, new growth can take over. As the vines burst back to life, farmers also prune leaves and remove young shoots from the base. This helps the plants focus their energy on growing healthy, fruit-bearing branches. By May, the vineyards are buzzing. Grapes start to appear and take about 70 days to reach harvest size. During this crucial period, farmers use insecticides to protect those clusters from pests and aphids. To ensure the best quality, workers actually cut away about 30% of the fruit. Yep, it sounds tough, but it's necessary for a successful harvest. Watering is a big deal too. In the hot season, each mature vine drinks up 8 to 10 gallons of water a day. No wonder those grapes look so plump and juicy. So, how does the harvest happen? On table grape farms, every bunch is hand-cut by skilled workers, and anything less than perfect is tossed out. During harvest season, about 95,000 workers hit the fields, earning around $18 per hour for this demanding job. After picking, the grapes are inspected and sorted again before packing. In 2021 alone, California produced 5.9 million tons of grapes, worth roughly $5.2 billion. That's a lot of fruit. There are around 48 different varieties of table grapes grown in California. But it's not just about table grapes. Wine grape farms have a different vibe. Here, harvesting is a bit rougher, since these grapes are destined for juice and wine. After picking, they're quickly shipped off to factories for processing. Pretty wild to think about all the effort that goes into every bunch of grapes, right? If you're studying agriculture, this is the kind of hands-on knowledge that shapes the industry. Let me know what you think about the grape growing process, or if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you next time.